Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'll be making some pasta di Positano. I believe that's the right way to pronounce it, but before we get to it, please do like and subscribe and comment if you like the video. That sure helps with the algorithm. Okay, so let's get to it. Right, for this recipe you'll need 50 millimeters of extra virgin olive oil, 250 grams of spaghetti, 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, and a large red onion finely chopped, 30 grams of basil, it should be fresh, and some salt and pepper as well to taste. Okay, so I'm going to be adding seasoning with salt and some pepper. Add as much as you desire, and also I'm going to add the basil as well. Okay, so I've boiled some water in the kettle, and I'm going to season it ready for the pasta. Okay, so what I'm going to do now that the water's bubbling like so, I'm going to put the spaghetti in and cook it for roughly about 8 minutes or so. Okay, so like I constantly always say, do from time to time mix the pasta when cooking pasta. Okay, so the 8 minutes is up, so I'm gonna put the pasta I've cooked into the bowl of other ingredients, and I'm going to mix them up together. Okay, so there it is, your spaghetti di Positano. Okay, that's it for another video. Okay, so do remember, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and comment if you enjoyed the video. All that helps with the algorithm. Okay, and check out my other videos as well, please, and also the social media, my social media links in the description below, and also as always, whether or not you've got autism and you just want to learn to cook, do remember, I have your